Yo, what's good, y'all? It's Latrell, and you know what, man? I know I said that I'm sick and everything, and I'm still sick, and I refuse to record when I'm sick because I sound terrible, but you know what? I had this opportunity, and I wasn't trying to let this pass up. But I finally got me some Philips Hue light bulbs, and this is the one I got right here. I just came back from Best Buy like an hour ago, and I was at Family Dollar looking for snacks because I'm trying to get a snack cart going. But yeah, so I want to go and check this out because I got 3 light bulbs here. I got the hub, and then I got the smart switch. And what's dope about this is that it actually works with SmartThings. So if it didn't work with SmartThings, I don't know if I would have got it or not. So since it works with SmartThings, I can use it with Bixby, I can use my Galaxy Watch, and when I get the Galaxy Home Mini, whenever that come out, or the regular Galaxy Home, I'll just use it with this. So yeah, let's hop into this. Alright, y'all, so I know like there's probably like a billion and one unboxings on Philips Hue light bulbs and everything, but I just want to do it anyway. But yeah, I'm up in my smart home again. I already did like by buying like 2 robot vacuums and pretty much every single Nest product. And I already got like the smart outlets and the LED strips, but like one LED strip smart and one's not. It's just a regular basic one. But yeah, anyways, I just got these Philips Hue light bulbs here and I heard that they're good, so I'm gonna go and try these out. They're expensive though, like I didn't know they were $130 or something like that with the taxes and all that. But yeah, like I said, it's actually pretty cool because it works with SmartThings, but it also works with Alexa, HomeKit, Google Assistant, and Nest. But Nest removed the whole it works with Nest thing, so I don't really know if that works anymore. That would be dope though, because I have the Nest Smart Smoke Detector and Carbon Monoxide Detector, the Nest Protect. But yeah, we'll go and check that out. So Philips Hue Personal Wireless Lighting White and Color Ambience. It's the bulb starter kit. Like I said, we have 3 light bulbs here. We have the hub and then we got the smart switch. They call it a dimmer switch, so I'll just say a dimmer switch. It's actually Energy Star rated, and on the right side of the box we just have some info here, like it has Bluetooth, Zigbee. You can download it on the App Store and Google Play, and it's just the same thing again with what light bulb this is. So let's look on the back. So we got a smart control. We can wake up and go to sleep naturally, set timers, we can go and light up for gaming and blah blah blah, all that good stuff. And if you want to go and pause this and read it for yourself, you can do that. But one thing I heard that's pretty cool with the Philips Hue is like when the sun is rising, the light bulb will actually turn on as the sun is rising. You know what I mean? So like as it's getting brighter outside, it gets brighter in your room. So yeah, like I said, that's pretty cool, and I already went over what it works with. And then yeah, so let's go and hop into this. So I got my unboxing knife here, trusty unboxing knife, and let's just go ahead and cut into this thing. So I'm hoping this thing don't let me down, man. Like I'm just getting into this, like I really don't know that much about it, and apparently this is what you put on your wall. The dude at Best Buy told me you replace this with your light switch if you want to, but I don't think I'm gonna do that, not right now anyways. But yeah, so right here we have our Philips hub, and in order to use these light bulbs you actually need this, and you actually plug that in with an Ethernet cable. So no connecting it to Wi-Fi or anything like that, you actually have to plug it in with a physical Ethernet cable, which kind of sucks, but I mean it is what it is. I already got the cable and everything, so I'll just throw it in my basement and not even worry about it. But okay, it looks like that this is what you use to replace your light switch. So I'm gonna go and put that right there, and then we got all of our light bulbs. So this is what it looks like. I'm gonna just go ahead and screw that into my lamp or something, and I guess we're good. So let's go and look into this and see if we got more stuff. So we can go and take this out, and then here we have our user manuals and all that stuff. But what do we do with that? We throw it to the side. Of course we do. So what else we got in here? It looks like we got some cables and stuff. Okay, so yeah, it looks like the cables and everything for the hub, and then it looks like we get an Ethernet cable. Okay, that's pretty dope. And then we get whatever this is. I'm not really sure right now, but I'll go and hook this up and I'll get back to y'all. Alright y'all, so I went ahead and installed all 3 Philips Hue bulbs. So we got lamp number 1 in my room, lamp number 2, and then we got lamp number 3 in the living room. So it's literally been months since I started this video. So today is April 13th. And I started this video like what, January or something like that. So I got some experience with these Philips Hue bulbs. So let me go and show you that it's installed in this lamp. And yeah, you can see it's right there. And obviously I already set up everything, so I already got it set up in, you know, Google Home, SmartThings, HomeKit, all that. So obviously with all this time that it took me to record this video, I already set it up on everything. So I got it set up on Google Home and SmartThings and HomeKit, Cortana, everything. So if you watch this, hey Siri, turn off the lights.
Absolutely. Here you go.
Yeah, you can see it's already set up. Hey Siri, turn on the lights.
Absolutely. Here you go.
Turn off the bedroom lights.
All right, turning off 2 bedroom lights.
Just like that. And hey Google, turn on the lights. Just like that. And lastly, let's use Cortana. turn off the lights.
Okay.
Cool. So yeah, you can obviously see right there that I got everything hooked up, and it's actually pretty easy. So it actually tells you in the app, so when you install the Philips Hue app, don't install the Bluetooth one, install the regular one. It's gonna go ahead and just bring you through the whole setup process easy, and then you can go and set up with Cortana and SmartThings and HomeKit and all that later. And then you can see I installed this switch. So basically what's going on with this switch is it doesn't replace your actual light switch. Now there are DIYs of how you can go ahead and make it replace your switch, but basically you just go ahead and screw it onto your wall, or you use the 3M tape. And this is what it looks like. So it's actually magnetic, and it's pretty nice. I really like that magnetic part. But I can go ahead and take that off whenever I want to, and you can just see the color changed. That's actually because, watch this. So I can go ahead and click on this on button multiple times, and then I can go ahead and change the color temperature or just the color completely. Now you actually go ahead and modify that in the Philips Hue app. That's just how I got it right now, but it's pretty cool. So let me go ahead and put it back to this little white color here, or okay, there we go. And I can go ahead and adjust the brightness by holding on to this, and you can see works just good. Let me go and turn that back up right there. And yeah, it's nice. I can go ahead and turn it off. And yeah, cool. It turns all the lights off that's hooked up to. So in the app, you can go ahead and configure what lights you want this to control. Now let me go and put that back. But you can actually see that there's a little light right there to go ahead and tell you when it's working. Now whenever you want to just go ahead and take out the batteries, you just go ahead and flip it over, take out that screw, and then you just take out the batteries. But let me go and show you this in action real quick. So hey Google, turn off the lights. Just like that. Hey Google, turn on the lights. There we go. And I don't know if you heard that, but my stomach's actually growling right now. I'm hungry. I need some Domino's or something. But then if I go over here to my Nest Hub, I can go over here to my room, and then I can see all the lights here. So I can see the 2 lights in here. I can go ahead and change the brightness, and then I can go ahead and change the color. So we got ivory, daylight, we got candle light. I'm gonna go ahead and change that. You can see it just changed right there. We got blue, we got gold, Peru, chocolate, pumpkin. We got a lot of options up in here. And then you could just tell Google what color you want too. Deep sky blue, light sky blue, like you got so many options out here. And as for SmartThings, this is what it's gonna look like. So you can see I got my SmartThings panel right here, and then you can see all the lights right here. So you can see the bedside light, you can see the dresser light, and then you can see the living room light. And then this is just how it looks in SmartThings itself. So I got all my options up in here, like I got a timer, I got power on, power off. I can see all the activity in here, and then I can go ahead and control the color. So if I want to go and make it blue, it's gonna change blue. That's just for the dresser light though. That's what I have it set on. And then I went ahead and set up some scenes right here. So there isn't an option to just go ahead and control all of them at once. So you gotta go ahead and set that for yourself. So if I want to go and turn off all the lights in my room, I can go and tap on that routine scene thing right there, and you can see everything turned off. I can go and turn them all on now, and then you can see it just worked. And then with Cortana, it's basically just, you just use your voice. Like there's not really a UI here that you can just go and control. Like you gotta just talk to Cortana. And as for the Philips Hue Hub, you can see I got it all connected right here. I got the power plugged in, and then I got my Ethernet cord going to my router here, because this does not connect to your Wi-Fi. You have to actually go ahead and connect this to your router directly. Now this is in my basement, and all the lights are upstairs, so it works fine. I haven't had any issues yet. But this hub pretty much just stays out your way. So you can see I got like the power indicator. I can see my local network, and then I can see that's connected to the internet. Now if I want to go and use some kind of a Philips Hue app, I can go ahead and just press onto this button right here, and that's how it works. On the first setup, you have to go ahead and press this Philips Hue button here so it can go ahead and connect to your lights. And this thing can actually go ahead and support up to 100 lights. So let's say you go over your 100 lights limit, you would just have to go ahead and get another hub, but that's pretty much it. Besides that though, that's pretty much it. You can just go ahead and mount this on your wall if you want to, but I'm not doing that. Just leaving it right here for now anyways is fine for me, so I'm not worried about that. But y'all, that's gonna be pretty much it for me. So pretty much all these services are gonna work exactly the same with Philips Hue. Like if I go over here to my home map, you can see I got all my lights on. I can go over here to the dresser light. I can go ahead and adjust the brightness right there if I want to. Change the color, like it works pretty good. And one cool thing about HomeKit is that they actually have an option here for the hue dimmer. So I can go ahead and see the battery level, see if it's charging, and then I can go ahead and change the button presses. And I can even see the bridge right here. So all of that stuff just showed up there when I linked it with HomeKit. But that's gonna be pretty much it for me, y'all. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, go and give this video a like. And if you really liked it, go and subscribe. But that's gonna be pretty much it for me, y'all. So thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Stay safe, stay home. Peace out.